Got another Jeeper here pulling out this BMW. Strapped it around the wheel there. There it goes. Getting pulled by the Jeep.
You have a shovel in you though?
I do, yeah.
I want to get this side so I can get this wheel, or else I'll break the bumper.
Alright, we didn't have enough weight. He was moving the Jeeps, so we put up 2 Jeeps, get him out, and it's working. With only 1 Jeep, he was just pulling the Jeep. It was too much. So we connected my Jeep to his, and it works.
Yeah, do me a favor. How about you? Let's just...
Gotta connect both the Jeeps again. And he's moving. You look good right there. Alright, he got pulled pretty far. See if he gets out. Geez, that's wind. Alright. There we go.